So let's look at today's learning. So here we have a plane 100 square, and Annie has some squares shaded. How many squares has Annie shaded? Now, we could just count them in ones and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. But this is 100 square, so we should know that one row is 10. So we could just count 10, 20, 30, 40. If you wanted to practice counting in twos, you could count in two. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. You could count in fives if you wanted to. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. But the easiest way when we're looking at that is 4 tens, so it is 40. So then, how many squares has Annie not shaded? So we know that this is a 10. So if we counted the rows, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we've got 6 rows of 10. So I'm counting 6 tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So 40 and 60 equals 100. So the next question we have is, how many squares has Tommy shaded? So again, we're looking at the rows of 10. How many are shaded? But then we've got some extra ones. So we've got 10, 20, 30, 40, and then we've got 4 tens, 3 ones, 43. So how many squares has Tommy not shaded? Now looking at this it makes 10, doesn't it? So if we have 3 that are shaded, 3 add what makes 10? So we've got these here. So let's work out this section first. So we know that we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ones. And then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows of 10. 5 tens, 7 ones is 57. So then if we put that into a sentence, we've got 43 add 57 equals 100. So we've used our number bonds to 10 to help us solve this question.